Buzz, let's make this the last day of this. You have to take responsibility for what happened and forgive yourself. I know you're sad, but you're not a victim. Are you high right now?
No, Ma. Stop asking me that.
Because you're lying. You're suffering. But this isn't going to help.
I just took half a pill.
What pill? For what?
It doesn't matter.
It matters to me, Edwin.
She's pretty pissed. She called you Edwin.
Look at his eyes. Where are you getting these pills from?
I gave him a couple of Xanny. He'll be fine.
I don't want my little baby boy strung out on pills, Jay. No more. If you're depressed, we'll take you to a doctor and see if he feels you need a prescription. And eat something, please.
Everybody thinks they know when it's time to feel better or stop being down. You know, it's bullshit. You guys didn't lose your best friend. Yeah, I take pills sometimes because I can't sleep. I can't get these pictures out of my head of him lying there. I just want it to stop. You know, and I wish you would stop fucking tripping over every fucking thing I do.
Buzz, baby!
Ma, leave it.
You're supposed to protect him, Jay.
He's a mercy. He'll be fine. He just needs to get this shit off his chest. Any word on that kid Mario from the warehouse?
They got there. He had cleared out, made it look like they were just skating. It's been that way since. I've driven past a few times.
What if you had something?
I told you there are no leads there. It's nothing to pursue.
That kid is fucked up. He killed Kane. And I'm pretty sure those girls were really young. Like, too young.
What is this, Jay?
Proof. But it comes with a cost.